Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to do another acrylic application, and I'm going to use this Young Nails Cover Blush color. It's like a really pretty light color with a lot of glitter, different colored glitter in it. I'm going to use my regular size 12 brush. It's the D&D brand. Hi, baby. Hi, my little one. And I'm just going to start off with this application. I already have my tips ready to go. And this application is going to be in real time, so you can really see like the flow of this acrylic and how easy it is to use. So I did want to mention one thing before we begin. So I found a kind of a new way of doing my videos. So I'm going to be doing like the application or like the base color or whatever it is I'm doing, and then I'm going to do the design separately, just so that the video isn't so long and we break it up into kind of parts. So you're going to just be seeing the application in this video, and then the rest of the art and the nail art in the future videos as well will be in a separate video. So just wanted to kind of let you know of a heads up, so that way you kind of know what to expect on these videos. So with this application, what's going to be a little bit different is that I usually do one bead at a time, like the same bead one at a time, but in this case, in this set, I'm just going to do one nail at a time, so you can kind of see the difference, but it's also going to be the same, different but the same, you know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and do the application of this acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and let you watch just like the previous video, and I hope you enjoy.
tickets, we're not going to be like, oh, no, you can't hang out with us. Maybe Stephanie would. I would.
I would never, actually. You would.
I'm just throwing it out there. All right, we're going to wrap it up. Guys, we appreciate you joining us here on Crime Weekly News. We'll be back with a new episode on Friday on audio for Lori Vallow Part 4. And if you're just strictly YouTube, which this is, we'll be out on Sunday for that.